What's up guys, welcome to today's video. Joining me is King of OSW, Matt the Ginge.
Hello.
Hey Matt the Ginge. We just got in from the very long drive and we're pulling up to Mexico right now. Just crossed the border, had a bit of an issue with the truck and trailer. Sometimes they get a little bit funny about us bringing the drift car across the border because they know what we're going to do here. But there's this vast, open, abandoned development that we like to go drift in. Mexico, very Mexican, lots of Mexican cokes. Incidentally guys, if you ever find yourself in the same spot in Mexico, just be careful. There are lots of intersections without stop signs or anything, and it's very easy to have someone just blow right through and hit you, and that's not fun. It looks like there's a Mustang meet in Mexico right now. They're taking up our cul-de-sac. Oh my God, their Mustang group is doing timed lapse at the compound. Dude, it's gonna be so funny.
Crowds, watch out.
Oh my God, oh my God. It's gonna be epic. I'm really excited to watch this. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. But they took our cul-de-sac, dang it. Hey, Shelby. I don't hear tires squealing, not fast enough. Secretly, I'm just mad because that's the color Shelby I would have preferred. I'm so excited I get to drive my Z! Do you like how it sounds?
I like the little pops.
Little pops. Little pops. Happy Adam. Happy Adam spent a bunch of time on his stupid car and he gets to drive it happy. Literally second lap out. I am loving this thing. It feels so good. I don't know if I'm too confident in flicking that fast enough. Oh my God, it's perfect. That was fun. I'm gonna go get some drinks. That's so fun. This thing shreds. Dude, it's weird because like it doesn't have the power band like a normal car does, like up top, but it's so much torque that you can just kind of leave it down. I see what you mean, like you can left foot brake and it doesn't,
Yeah.
My heart, that's so fun. Like the car didn't feel like that powerful driving around town, so it was like questioning whether it'd be able to drift or not.
Yeah.
That's sick. The one thing I notice over and over again whenever I go to drive a Wisefab car after getting used to like my 240, like these cars are, I'm not even kidding, like one turn to lock. So little adjustments like this translate to huge movement in the car, and I'm not used to that. So I find myself bobbling and doing lots of little weird stuff until I get comfortable with the fact that you just need to make little adjustments.
That's how I was when I first got this.
Yeah. Look who just showed up. Dude, new truck is dope.
I know, I'm so hyped, dude.
Heck yeah.
I can just be like,
dude, we're so deep in here. Look at all these trucks and trailers. It's absurd. We're gonna fight all the Mustang people. All right, let's go fight them. I late braked it way too much. Taylor, you realize this is what we talked about like months and months ago, getting Missile Car Z's and taking them to the compound.
I know.
It's come true. We're here.
Except Matt's not.
I know. So Matt's car needed a lot of work, and because yesterday was Formula Drift, he didn't really have time to get it sorted, and he's gonna, like, rather than destroy his car, he's gonna try to hold it together for the next event.
Because he's smart. But did you know that that event might be canceled?
Oh yeah, you're fine. Yeah, I'm gonna do it again. Shulman's out here with his new Bad Daddy truck. Have I shown the truck in a video yet?
No.
I don't think so.
No.
Hey, so we all have bets going, like some of us are different bets than others. Basically like different wagers between like if you're gonna break your car, go off, or I don't know what else.
I got spare parts, everything. So.
Do you? Extra axles?
Yeah.
How many?
1.
Shulman has this curse. He doesn't even have drop knuckles or like a crazy amount of power and he keeps breaking axles.
Here's tire pressure, that should be good, hopefully.
Taylor says he's gonna put it in your door.
I hope so.
Knock knock, who's there? Hope it's not your Jay-Z.
No.
Hope it's Taylor.
Yep.
Drift Dad. Okay.
Yep.
All right.
Drift Daddy.
Okay. Get out of here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Shulman.
I broke it again.
Shulman.
4th time this week.
Your axle.
Yep.
Do you got extras?
Huh?
You got extras?
Not for that side.
See if I have one in my trailer. I might.
All right, I'll check. I hope so, but it's gonna do it again, so I can't even drive, but I'll try.
I felt a little shuddering and I'm glad I checked it because the little nut for my camber arm came out. So sketchy. Hopefully I can like find a nut that I can get to work. You see it?
Oh, yeah. Oh, your little washer thing came off, too.
I know. So I was just gonna get a washer there for now. Watch out. I think you guys saw the clip, but I didn't physically show you. Taylor got the most perfect door mark of what is now the Missile Car Z. And why do I call it the Missile Car? Because in addition to that, we've got a smushed in rear bumper. Oh my God, car's totaled, guys. Holy crap. Unfortunately, I was running a super wide line, and because of that, I had to kind of like do a quick snappy transition. And I think Taylor was really glued to me at that point. And what happened on your car? Is it that Heim joint?
Yeah, the Heim joint like busted out. You're right.
Yep. Yeah.
I thought the arm was bent.
Nah. The arms are really strong. The weak point are these Heim joints. I have extras though, so if you're willing to put the time in, we can totally get your car back together, brother.
I don't know if I want to or not.
Yeah, it's one of those things where like it's kind of a pain, but like if you care, you know.
Right. I'm just like, what time is it? It's already like 4 o'clock.
Yeah. I mean, it's.
I'm on my last set of tires.
Yeah.
Do I just do it at home in my comfort of my garage?
I don't know, dog. I don't know.
I always drive super conservative with you because your car is nice, and I know how you feel about your car. You don't want it to get messed up, which like I totally respect that. I wouldn't either. But now that you have a car that's like more okay with getting messed up, now I can drive full aggressive with you, and it's super fun.
It is so, I can't explain how much of a G I feel like driving that car.
Like, it doesn't feel way more fun when you just don't care?
Yeah, well, I mean, like, obviously I care a little bit.
Right, but when you care very minimal amounts.
For sure, and I'm just like listening to Waka Flocka Flame, like I could barely see over the steering wheel. I feel like Mesker. You guys don't know, but like,
yeah,
you remember Mesker in Japan? Yeah,
yes,
he's just balling in the GZX 100, sitting super low, just sending it.
Yeah, that's nuts.
Best driving me and Taylor have ever had.
Yeah, just sick. I'm stoked.
I have to go put it in Schulman's door now.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put my car together. Like, I'm just gonna park it. I'm over it.
All right.
I got a headache.
Yeah.
I kind of want to drive more, but I don't at the same time.
I hope we get a good thumbnail of us standing. There's got to be a good one.
Yeah, I want to drive more, but like I'll just save it for later.
Yeah, so it would have been really cool footage because it was super JDM and stuff, but I was driving with a Monster Guys R34 and a Chaser, and the Chaser kind of like he kind of like dipped off course, so I slowed down, and then Lee hit me with his R34, and sad R34 is a little smashed up now.
He's still going though. Going for it now.
I mean, I'd be out there with him, but my toe looks like it's a little bit towed in right now. Maybe something got bent or knocked out of whack. Missile car's got some little love now. Shout out Officer Dan right here. Over fenders will fix this if I ever care about it, but I really don't. So yeah, I'm gonna try to button the bumper up and make this not bent. Performed like insanely well. The only complaint, the only real mechanical issue that it's having, which we already were slightly aware of, one of these calipers is sticking, and we knew it was a problem. We tried to figure it out, but couldn't figure it out, and just kind of hoped that it would go away. I'm gonna try re-greasing the calipers. I'm gonna try changing the calipers, maybe even changing the master for the handbrake, but it's getting so bad that the brakes are getting so hot that I'm starting to lose my brakes. So I think I'm just gonna call it quits and throw her back in the trailer. It was a lot of fun. She performed amazingly, so thank you, Z, for being a good girl. All right, we're walking over because there's a ton of people stopped on track. Track.
I didn't even think about that. It just sounded normal.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, so we're thinking hopefully Schulman's okay because he looks like he's a little perturbed. Schulman.
Schulman? Did you say Schulman?
Oh my God. That's crazy.
I've never seen a car go off that bad.
Oh my God.
It's a front wheel, bro.
Oh my God. Wow. That sucks. Pretty crazy, but I think that definitely may have been one of my favorite times drifting ever. Lone Star was really fun, like the last round, but that was just so chill, just like listening to rap music and just leaning back and just swinging that thing side to side. The brake was kind of annoying, but thank you for joining me, Matt.
It was fun.
Did you have fun? Matt will be joining us at the next event. Definitely excited to drive with him and Taylor now in the matching Z's so we can all shred super hard.
It'll be fun. It'll be a blast.
It'll be very blast, but the next event got delayed or rescheduled or something. So I don't know, we're gonna have to figure that out. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I didn't have my normal GoPro angle because I didn't have my helmet GoPro, so I switched it up a little bit with different angles and stuff. Just let me know what you thought, and I hope you enjoyed it. It was so fun. Yeah.
When you said